How to quickly identify perfect square trinomials. Imagine you're looking at a polynomial and want to know if it comes from squaring a binomial. Spotting perfect square trinomials can save you time and make factoring easier. When you see a trinomial, think about what it might be a square of. These special polynomials follow a pattern that makes them stand out. They are formed from squaring a binomial like ax plus b or ax minus b. The key is to check the first and last terms. Both should be perfect squares. For example, if you c squared, it's a perfect square. If you see 16, that's also a perfect square because it's 4 times 4. Next, look at the middle term. It should be twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms. So, if the first term is x squared and the last is 16, the middle should be 8x because 2 times x times 4 equals 8x. To verify, you can use the formula where the middle term equals 2 times the square root of the first term times the square root of the last term. If it matches, then the trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. For example, take the polynomial x squared plus 8x plus 16. The first term squared is a perfect square, the last term 16 is also a perfect square, and the middle term 8x is exactly twice the product of x and 4. That confirms it is a perfect square trinomial. Once you identify this pattern, you can quickly factor it as the square of a binomial, which is x plus 4 squared. Remember, the main clues are the perfect squares at the beginning and end, and the middle term matching the pattern. With practice, spotting these becomes second nature. It's a handy skill to have 4 simplifying expressions and solving equations faster. Keep an eye out for perfect squares, and you'll be able to recognize perfect square trinomials in no time.